So this should be a quick one, you guys. I did lay my edges down after I did my makeup today, somewhat, I'd say. So I am about 5 weeks post relaxer, and it's been 2 weeks since my shampoo. So my hair is pretty dirty. Starting my first part at the top of my earlobe and going across to the other, I'm going to place my first weft. As I go along, you'll see that my clip-ins are pretty close together. I am going to be using 4 clip-ins for this look today. After I've completed adding my clip-ins, I am going to go ahead and take my paddle brush and smooth my hair just to make sure it's completely detangled. And then I'm going to add It's a 10 styling potion and a little bit of coconut oil to my nape area. I did add a little bit of coconut oil to the top of my hair, so if you see the little white pieces there at the top, it's just coconut oil. It didn't liquefy as of yet. Alright, I'm just going to quickly brush my hair a little bit more and then gather all of my hair together. And with an ouchless band, I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail. After that, I'm going to take a chunk of hair underneath, smooth that section with the comb, and then wrap it around the ouchless band so you don't see my ponytail holder. After that, I am going to go ahead and take my chopstick here and section off the very top portion of my ponytail. Make sure that section is smooth, no flyaways, it's pretty put together. Put it in 2 and then crisscross it, and then go underneath the bulk of my ponytail. Clip my ponytail away, and then take the 2 sections of hair left at the bottom and tie it together with your rubber band. I'm just going to go ahead and repeat those same steps. Once I've completed that second one, I'm going to go back to the top one and fan it out. So I'll fan out the top one and I'll fan out the second one. And then take a look at it and make sure it's the way that I'd like it. Now I'm not going to fan it out completely until I've completed however many I'm going to do. I'll do 2 at a time, stop where I'm at, and fan it out. So in total, I did about 8 of these. I wasn't sure if I wanted to go all the way to the end, but by the time I got down to 8 of them, I was like, no, it looks pretty good there. So I stopped at 8. So I know you guys are going to get me, and this is a pet peeve of mine not to do, but I'm going to do it anyway. I am going to spray my hair with some heat protectant because I am going to be using heat on my 2-week-old dirty hair. Yes, I am. So I'm going to go ahead and curl the ends of my hair. Okay, so this was the final look. I will say, after I recorded this, I went back and I took a look at it, and I did pull out some pieces just to even out the loops on the ponytail. But I absolutely love this hairstyle. I certainly appreciate you guys for watching, and until the next time, be loved.